Hello students, in previous lecture we learned 5 types of sets. Now let's continue with the next type. Type number 6, superset. If A is subset of B, that means all the elements of set A are there in set B, then B is called a superset of A, and we can write B is superset of A like this. Type number 7, proper subset. A non-empty set A is said to be a proper subset of the set B if all elements of set A are in set B and at least one element of B is not in A. That is, if A is subset of B and A is not equal to B, then A is called a proper subset of B, and we can write like this. Now see, for example, let A be the set containing 3 elements 1, 3, 5, and B is the set containing 4 elements 1, 3, 5, 7. Now if you check, then the elements of A 1, 3, 5 are here in set B 1, 3, 5, but in set B here is one more element, that is 7, which is not in A. Means we can say that all elements of set A are present in set B, but in B there is one element extra which is not in A. That means A is the proper subset of B, but A is not equal to B. So every element of A is an element of B, but A is not equal to B. So we write like this: A is proper subset of B. Now next type is power set. The set of all subsets of a given set A is called the power set of A, and the power set of A is denoted by P of A. Now see here example how to write the power set. That means set of all subsets. Suppose A is the set containing 2 elements A and B, and now here we want to write the power set of A. Now first we will calculate that how many subsets will be there in power set of A. Now since here 2 elements are present in set A, we will apply the formula 2 raised to number of elements present in set A. Now since here only 2 elements are present in set A, so here we will write 2 raised to 2. Here raised to 2 denotes 2 elements are present in set A, and we know 2 raised to 2 is equal to 4. That means if we write the power set of A, then in that power set we will get 4 subsets. So let's write the power set of A. Very first subset is the empty set, which is compulsory to write in every power set. Then we will write one element from the given set. So element A in the form of set, element B in the form of set. Now the combination of 1 is over since only 2 elements are present in set. Now we will consider combination of 2. Now since here only 2 elements are present, we will get only one combination, that is AB. And this is nothing but the power set of A. Now we can calculate the number of subsets 1, 2, 3, 4. So according to our conclusion, 4 subsets are present in power set of A. That means our answer is correct. See one more example. Suppose A is the set containing 3 elements. So first we will calculate that how many subsets will be there in power set of A. So again, by using the formula 2 raised to number of elements present in set A. Now since here 3 elements are present in set A, 2 raised to 3, that is 2 into 2 into 2. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. So here 8 is the answer. That means 8 elements, or we can say 8 subsets has to be there in power set of A. So let's write the power set of A. Very first subset is the empty set, which is fixed, as I earlier told you. Then we will consider the combination of 1 element. So 1 as a subset, then 2, then 3. Now combination of 1 element is over. Now we consider the combination of 2 elements. So 1 2 will be one subset, 1 3 will be one subset, then 2 3 will be one subset. Now once we are considering 1 2, we cannot consider 2 1. That will be one and the same. So the number should not be repeat. Now all the combination of 2 are over, then combination of 3. So here we will get only 1 2 3. As we are writing 1 2 3, we cannot write 2 3 1 because the elements will be the same. Now we can count the number of subsets 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. According to calculation, we are getting 8 subsets. That means our answer is correct. Now same thing you can try by considering set A including 4 elements. And according to the formula, for the 4 elements, we will get 2 raised to 4, that is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. That is 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. So there has to be 16 elements in power set of A if you are considering A as the set containing 4 elements. In that also, first subset will be empty. Then you will consider combination of 1 element, then combination of 2 elements, then combination of 3 elements, and last will be the combination of 4, that is original set, which you are going to consider. Now let's continue with the next one, type number 9, that is equal sets. Two sets are said to be equal